Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to teach as many U.S. business people, 1099 incomers, and also investors how they can save federal taxes. I'm going to go live on December 12th, 4 p.m. East Coast time on Zoom. I'm going to go over some slides and then open it for Q&A. Now, I have had this trust since September of 2020, and in the past 3 years, I've done quite a few real estate deals. What I'm going to share with you now is one of my real estate deals that made a little bit of money on, but I want to tell you about the Spendthrift Trust. It is legal, copywritten in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo, and it's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. Number 1, federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Number 2, keep your information completely private. If you have an LLC or an S Corp, I can write a Freedom of Information letter to the Secretary of State or Corporation Commission with a stamped envelope, and I will get all your information mailed to me. Number 3, I can't stop you from being sued, but the old adage from Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything. Me as an individual, I'm worth nothing. Everything's in my trust and they can't get to it. And then number 4, if you don't know about the Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department, starts January 1st, it's an ugly bill. If you have any of the Spendthrift Trust, you don't have to do this yearly paperwork. So let me share my screen with you. This is a wholesale deal I got for $15,400 in Memphis, Tennessee. I wholesaled it for $31,000, and I made $15,600 at 24% tax rate. The reason I used 24% tax rate back in 2019, when I was working full-time and had to get on a payment plan with the IRS, my tax rate was 24%. So that's my number that I use for myself. So I saved $3,744 on this one deal. I have done 29 wholesale deals since September of 2020, and this is one of them. Not a huge amount of savings, but hey, every penny helps. Now, the business trust is for U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners. You will save at least 70% on your federal income taxes year after year, generation after generation, before deductibles. When you start doing all your deductibles, you're going to get up to 90 to 95%. In 2022, I was at 92% savings, and I only paid 8% on my 3 online businesses. Beautiful thing. With the beneficial trust, it's for all investors. You're going to stop paying short-term and long-term capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalties, year after year, generation after generation. So few people know about the Spendthrift Trust because only 4% of all attorneys in the United States are trust attorneys. The 3 articles I have from Forbes says you need to be making at least $3 million to get the trust. Ha ha ha. I was not making anywhere near that amount. I was just paying too much for wholesaling deals, about $4,000. So please come to my meeting December 12th at 4 p.m. East Coast time. You can register at thetrustisYou.com/savings. The trust is legal, copywritten, and in the IRS Tax Code. I want to help as many people save as much money on federal taxes. Thank you for watching.